This is Toronto, and I'm standing on my balcony, and the wind's blowing ice pellets. This is going to be going on all day and tomorrow too, as far as I understand. This could be going on for 36 hours. Freezing rain. So it's going to be getting worse. It's cold too, of course. See the weather? You can't see down the street. It gets a little quiet. You can hear the ice, the ice pelting, everything, the little dings. There's downtown, past the trees there, but you can't see. So this is going to be going all day, people. And Bob's staying inside, and yeah, he's going to be watching some movies. I'm not going out. Wow, it's cold. It's about 8 o'clock. Around 8 o'clock in the morning here. I think it's about 8, give or take a few minutes. Yeah, so you can imagine this going on all day. What a friggin' mess. And there's already school buses not running. Some of them are starting already. No school buses. So kids will be staying home from school. I don't know where, but I heard on the radio, some places school buses are not running. I think they said Pickering, but that's up north. Up north always gets it worse than down here in Toronto. So that's it, people. Oh yeah, and people in Toronto, if you don't have to go nowhere, stay home and watch movies. Talk to you later. Have a good day.